Welcome sa sit9.com. Tutuloy natin yung ating series on calculus, no? And sa previous video ay nakita natin, no, na what happens to the function, to the value of the function f of x equals x squared at values that are close to x equals 2, no? So, nakita natin na from Excel, no, na habang yung values from the left of 2 ay approaches 2, no? So, these are the values to the left of 2, yung mga 1.5, 1.9, 1.99, no? These are the values to the left of 2 as the values approaches 2, the values of f of x approaches 4, no? Ganon din sa right of 2, no? Habang palapit na palapit siya sa 2, palapit din ang palapit sa 4 yung ating values of f of x, no? Kulang ata ito, 2.00001. Okay, so this is pinakita din natin yan graphically, no? Habang palapit na palapit yung point dun sa 2 from the right, no? Ano nangyayari dun sa y value natin as x approaches 2 from the right? Of course, f of x approaches 4, no? And from the left naman, f of x also approaches 4. Sabi nga natin, yung ating we didn't care, no? We don't care about the value of f of x at x equals 2. Nilalapit lang natin yung value, but we don't want or we don't care about the value at x equals 2. So malapit lang to sa 2, 1.9999. Pero hindi siya equal to 2. No? So ibig sabihin, graphically, pwedeng wala tong point na to. Doesn't matter kung wala tong point na to. Okay? So dito sa video na to, pag-aaral natin yung concept na yan, no? Pag ganito yung concept that as x approaches 2, f of x approaches 4. No? So as x approaches 2 from the left, f of x approaches 4. Ito yung symbol natin, pinag-aralan din natin yun sa previous video. No? So you familiarize yourself kasi gagamitin na natin yan. No? As x approaches 2, yung approaches or gets closer is yung arrow. 2 from the left. Ito yung from the left is exponent siya na minus. And then f of x approaches 4. No? And then as x approaches 2 from the right, f of x approaches 4. Ito yung symbol niyan. Pag right naman, plus naman. Okay? So, if we are able to make x as close to 2 as possible, and f of x approaches 4, then pwede nating sabihin that, di ba, pwede nating gawing malapit na palapit sa 2, no? And nangyari dito, palapit rin siya ng palapit sa 4. So pwede nating sabihin that the limit of f of x as x approaches 2, pwede na natin gamitin yung approaches 2 na approaches 2 from the left, no, is 4. No? Or pwede rin natin palitan to, no? The limit of x squared, kasi yung f of x natin, x squared, diba? Pwede rin naman yun, no? The limit of x squared, pwede natin palitan yan. As x approaches 2 from the left is 4. Dito naman, from the right, no? So, siguro i-cut and paste na natin to. The limit of f of x approaches 2 from the right plus lang, okay, is 4. Now, pwede pa rin natin ito paigsiin tong symbol na to, no? So yung limit, pwede lang natin sabihin LIM, no? The limit of f of x, no, as x approaches 2 from the left, pwede natin ilagay sa baba. As x approaches 2 from the left is equal to 4. No? Pwede rin natin sabihin na the limit, ito naman, of x squared as x approaches 2 from the left is equal to 4. Okay? Tapos, dito rin, syempre. Same din. Yung may iba lang dyan yung right. The limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right plus siya is equal to 4. And the limit of x squared as x approaches 2 from the right is equal to 4. Okay, so ito yung pinaka compact na niya, no? Yung pinaka compact na notation, no? At gagamitin na natin to sa mga susunod na videos, kaya I hope na i-familiarize niyo yung sarili niyo sa notation na yan, no? Now before tayo mag-end, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo that if the limit of a function from as x approaches a value from the left is equal to the limit of that function as x approaches that value from the right, then the limit is equal to that value. Pag pareho silang dalawa, ibig sabihin lang yan, if the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left is equal to the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right is equal to 4, no? Pag equal yung dalawang yan, a certain number, then the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 is equal to 4. So mawawala na to, no? Ibig sabihin, yung limit ng f of x is equal to 4 na siya, no? Although na hindi pa siguro malinaw ngayon, but there are functions na magkaiba yung limit niya, no? Ang tawag pala dito is left-hand limit, no? The left-hand limit is different from the right-hand limit. Left-hand limit. So pag magkaiba yan, yung left-hand limit niya at right-hand limit niya, no? This is the right-hand limit. Pag may plus, pag magkaiba yan, the limit does not exist. Tinatawag natin na the limit does not exist. Okay, so siguro sa susunod na video titignan natin kung ano ba yung ganyang klase ng function. Siguro sa next 2 videos, tignan natin kung kailan ba yan nangyayari, yung hindi nagpapareho yung left-hand limit at saka right-hand limit. Siguro one more example tayo nito, no? Yung notation. And bago natin i-discuss yung case kung saan hindi nagpapareho yung left-hand at right-hand limit. Okay, so I hope maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.